Hi, Nana Sahib Dhok from TSSMS India Private Limited. We are based in Pune. We are manufacturing some food processing parts, some assemblies for defense, some oil and gas parts through using Lakshmi Machine Works machines. We are pioneer in oil and gas parts as well as some pharmaceutical parts. We are supplying sub parts and assemblies also. We are producing high accuracy parts. In this competitive world, it is difficult to get some productivity. So due to LMW machine, we are getting day by day good productivity as well as cost competitive parts. I have recommend LMW VMC machines to my friends, colleagues and some vendors, and they bought the machines and they are very much happy with productivity, technical support, cycle time reduction and support from the sales and service. They are very happy, and they also recommend to others LMW machines. Thank you.